I'm Granda, and today we'll be making an authentic Civil War meal that the soldiers would have eaten during this time period. Step 1 of this would be to take 2 cups of flour, pour it into a large mixing bowl, then take 1 cup of water and pour it into the same bowl. Mixture should look like this. Step 2 will be to knead the mixture like so. Step 3 is that you're going to want to take your mixture after kneading it and roll it into a ball type of form. After the mixture is completely kneaded, you're going to want to start to roll your dough. To roll the dough, you're going to push it like this until it's all stretched out. After the dough is rolled, you're going to cut the dough into rectangular shapes about 1/4 of an inch thick. Now you are going to take your rectangular pieces of the dough and place them onto your pan to be placed in the oven. Now we're going to place the dough in the oven. With the crackers in the oven, we're going to bake them on 30 minutes each side. With the crackers in the oven, we're going to start to make our boiled coffee. Step 1 of the process of boiling coffee, you're going to put a saucepan over your stovetop burner and pour just about the same amount of water you use for a regular cup of coffee. After that, you're going to take your coffee grounds and pour them into your boiling cup of coffee. Now, you're going to stir the mixture and make sure to continue stirring as to not burn the coffee grounds in your saucepan. After about 2 minutes of stirring, your coffee should look like this. Now we're going to let the coffee sit for about 4 minutes. Sitting for 4 minutes, you're going to pour the coffee into a mug, trying to keep the coffee grounds that were used in the saucepan. After about an hour of cooking, the crackers should be ready. About 20 minutes of prep and an hour of cooking time, your final product should look like this. If I had to eat and drink this every day, I don't know if I'll be able to survive the Civil War as a soldier.